Good morning, students. I am Miss Kim Kimi and I will be teaching you Hindi. Today we will learn 5 names of the nature: the sun, the moon, the stars, day and night. In the morning, when the sun rises, what do we see? We see the sun, right? The sun in Hindi we call this Suraj. The sun is called Suraj. And daytime, Thun. Daytime is Thun. Thun is called, yes, Din. Daytime is called Din. The sun is called Suraj. And the daytime is called Din. And when the sun sets, then we see the moon and the stars, right? The moon, in Hindi we call this Chand. The moon is called Chand. And then we see the stars here. Stars, yes, these stars are called Tara. In Hindi we call it Tara. These are Tara. And this is Chand. And the night time, we see these stars, Chand and Tara at night. Night is called Night Suzan. Night is called Raat. And at night, Raat, we see Chand and Tara. Okay, so let's say it again. The sun is called Suraj and the daytime is called Din. And then we see the moon and the stars. The moon is called Chand and the stars are called Tara. And the night time when we sleep, it is called Raat. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.